Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first official introduction. I've posted 2 other fun videos just showcasing the track that I just finished. But today I'm doing something a little different for me as well, because I've never done anything like this. I'm going to review my first product, and it is Mercedes-AMG GT3 Carrera 132 digital. Just picked this up the other day. Curbside pickup at my local hobby shop, Panther Hobbies. If you're in the GTA, I'd say to check them out. They have the best prices that I've been able to find, and have an amazing selection of track and cars and accessories. Be sure to check them out. It's Panther Hobbies. I'll put their info in the description. So what I'm going to do today is unbox this, and I'm also going to run some laps straight out of the box stock. And then I'm just going to sand the tires, and we're going to see the difference in times I can get. I'll also go through what kind of times I've been setting on this track with other cars, so we have a benchmark. So let's get this open. So there it is, unboxed in all its glory. I have to say I like this one. The paint job on it, and just like all the other Carrera models, they look amazing. You could just keep them displayed. Only these ones are better because you can actually put them on the track. Okay, let's turn on the lights on this thing.
Give me something new. I want it back, through and through. Just do it, I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you.
Alright, enough of that. Let's get this thing on the track and see what kind of times we can do straight out of the box. First things first, gotta flare these out a little bit. Just to help with contact on the track. Nothing crazy. And bend these up according to the way Carrera says they should be. Just get the best contact you can to the track, right? Cars on my track is at 40% speed, just because I don't have the biggest of track setups. This table is only 6x12, so the track's not crazy big, and I feel like to have fun in a group of 4 to 6 drivers, 40% speed is already more than enough. Maybe 60 for people that are a little bit more familiar. But a lot of my friends are new to this, so they don't smash up my cars and could get used to it. I think 40 is more than enough. So all the times I'm going to show you is based off of 40% speed.
Give me all the comfort that I
All right, so now we're gonna go in and look at the lap times, and my track record is a 4.639 done with the F1 car, and this Mercedes slots way down in 11th with a 5.426. So let's see what I can get with some sanded rear tires now. I found a use for my old black box, which is like a couple of others I've done. They turned it into their tire machining tool. So basically what I'm going to do is, well, what I have done is I put a piece of sandpaper and tape to hold it in place. I'm just going to machine the tires, run one tire at a time on this side and this side, and basically bring these tires flat. I'm not sure if you can see in the video. Focus on that. You can see the tires make a little bit of a U shape. It's a little bit hard to see, but basically you're doing this and you want them flat to get the most contact you can on the road, right? On the track. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna sand them down, see how the lap times are after that, and yeah, we should see an improvement. To be honest, this car so far, out of all the ones I put on this track, has been the worst out of the box. Just handling wise. It's fun to drive because you're drifting around every corner, but lap time wise wasn't the greatest. So let's machine the tires and see where we are. Here you're going to want to move the car left to right to get the wear as even as possible. And you also want to try not to put too much downward pressure. It will cause unnecessary wear to the motor. So I repeated that process about 3 times on each side, and this is what I have now. As you can see, it's not perfect, but they're a lot better than how it came out of the box. Against the white backdrop here, you can see the tires are a lot more flat right across. Obviously you're going to want to just clean off the car, maybe nothing too crazy, just clean off the tires. And once we're done, we'll probably take the body off and clean the inside from all the loose rubber that got lodged inside the body. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe down the tires and we're gonna run some more laps and see what we can do. I'll show you how I went about to clean my tires. I basically started off by getting some painter's tape, wrapped it around my fingers, and just ran it along the tires like this. And it was pretty effective, as you can see. Then I wiped it down with some warm water in the cloth. You can feel it too. They're a lot more sticky than they were compared to even the front tires. So when you throw us on the track, you actually have to put an effort to move the back end. As before, it was just sliding around. So let's run some laps and see where we're at. So I was able to shave over half a second off my stock time, and this now places me second overall, just behind the F1 car. So as you can see from my times, it took me, what, 1-2 laps to improve on what I did in 52 laps with stock tires. And that's just doing the tires. You can lube up the axles and the motor a little bit, and then you should gain a little bit more time. Also the front tires too. But right now I just want to show you how someone like me, which is at an entry level, basically learning as I go, can do this very simply by just machining the back tires a little bit. You could gain so much time. Guys, as I mentioned, this was my first attempt at any type of a vlog or review. Let me know what you think in the comments below and what I can do to improve. And if this is something you want to continue seeing, I can continue reviewing Carrera cars and products, and hopefully I'll get better with more practice and more videos. Put a comment below, subscribe, and until next time, keep the guide in the slots. Later.